TikTok is a social media based on short video content which displays video with a duration of around 15 seconds to 30 minutes. TikTok is an application that is used by many people. In Indonesia itself, the TikTok application is included in the application quite well popular. In the TikTok application, apart from the benefits, negative impacts also emerge the TikTok application that must be anticipated. One of the most cases found on the TikTok application is regarding sexual harassment. This happened due to a lack of open understanding, both through videos and comments. Sexual harassment is any form of behavior that connotes one side sex and unwanted by the victim. It can be in the form of speech, writing, symbols, gesture, and action. Surahman 20 and 18. Usually the most common form of sexual harassment is verbal and physical abuse. Verbal abuse is more pronounced than physical abuse. According to experts, sexual harassment in the form of verbal attack is progress unwanted sexual comments, jokes, offensive message, or insulting, suggestive comments obscene. Dr. Julie Albright said that TikTok addiction has the greatest effects on young brains and is still in the developing stage. This means that the addictive impact is felt most by young users, such as teenagers. Our brains change based on interaction with these digital technologies, and one of them is time compression, Albright said. One thing that is very worrying is that the attention span of teenagers who are addicted to TikTok will tend to decrease. Apart from that, we are no longer used to thinking in the long term because we often enjoy short things. This not only happens to young users, but also to all age of TikTok fans. This is often found in TikTok content displays accounts that respond to each other with sarcasm. This aims to show dislike for other users. This can lead to the use of unkind words. Many people can emulate this and the emerge of bullying in society and consider it to be a normal thing in society. Behavior conveys insult on social media. It is called cyberbullying. Cyberbullying itself occurs because of factor of excessive power that the perpetrator has to demeaning other weaker parties or victims. TikTok can indeed have a positive impacts on its users. However, there are many negative impacts that we cannot predict. It cannot be denied that the negative impact of TikTok also accompanies it along with the freedom of its users. There are various negative impacts on social media, in particular the TikTok application has an effect on mental health. This is supported by the statement of Lazard and Stones 20 and 16. The use of social media, including TikTok, can have a bad impact on health the mentality of its users, especially the younger generation.